Good morning, students. Here is your Tanushri ma'am. We have come here to start our studies today. Computer Studies 2. We will start from page number 2. The topic is Computer versus Human. The topic is Computer versus Human. But before that, just we will see what we have done earlier. The first thing we have done, the definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device. Okay. Then working of a computer and input, process, output. We have done input, process, output, and this is known as IPO cycle. So input, we have seen the input devices. Process, we have seen the devices, CPU, and the output also, the output devices, and here it is given monitor. So now let's start from here, computer versus human. Computers have become an important part of our lives, but computers are different from us. So computers are very important for us nowadays, but what are the difference we will see now. See, a computer does not make mistakes. Human can make mistakes. See children, we have seen earlier that computer works accurately. So accuracy, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Computer can say it very easily and very fast. But we human being have to think. We have to calculate and we do manually. So little bit we are slow also and sometimes we make mistake. Okay. So computer does not make mistake, but human can make mistake. It doesn't mean that human always make mistake, but sometimes it happens. But computer is always correct. Now the next is work process. A computer can work for long hours without getting tired. Humans get tired after doing some work and need rest. Yes, it's very natural thing that when we work little bit more, we are getting tired and we take rest. But computer is working long hours. What next? I am still fresh. See, computer is saying smiling. But see the face. Here, I need rest. He is very much tired. Taking 2 cups of tea also, he is very tired. So, what's the conclusion? A computer can work for long hours without getting tired. Human get tired after doing some work and need rest. Next, time or speed. A computer works fast and can do many jobs at the same time. What children? A computer works fast and can do many jobs at the same time. Human also can work fast but not as fast as computers. Yes, human also can work fast but not as fast as computer. Computer needs instructions to work. Human can work of its own without instruction. We know what computer is doing, what we are giving instruction, that only computers follows. But human beings are doing his work by its own. No instructions required. Okay. So next is storage. See, a computer has memory to store a lot of information. It never forgets whatever is stored inside it. So, see, a computer has memory to store a lot of information. It never forgets whatever is stored inside it. But human also can keep many things in their brain. But sometimes a human may forget the things. Yes. What happens? You study many subjects, is it? But sometimes you forget what you have done in others. Means like you have remember the question answers of maths, then English, then computer. But sometimes you forget. No. But computers learn and remember everything. Means stores everything in the memory and never forgets. But human beings, what happened? Sometimes may forget the things. So now what else do you want to store? See, GK, English, maths, computer, many more things are stored here. And here I cannot remember all the things. So many things he also read, but something may be missing. So we will see what we have read till now. Once see the difference. Accuracy. Computer does not make mistake. Okay, first thing. Then work process. Computer can do the work very fast and for long time without getting tired. The next is time and speed. It does its work very fast and many works at the same time. Then comes storage. Computer can store more things and do not forget. But human beings also remember many things, but sometimes it forgets. Now we will see page number 5. What is there? Human versus computer again, but some other way. Computer can do many tasks but cannot be superior to a human because computer is a man-made and cannot do the tasks on its own. See children, I told you computer is very fast. It can do many work at a time, but even though it is a man-made thing, so some work are there which it cannot do very fast or many very nicely. What are they? We will see. Some of these tasks are: a human can take his own decision. A computer cannot take decision on its own. So the difference is that human being can think, can decide, but computer cannot decide. Next is a human needs food to live, but computer needs what? Computer needs electricity. A computer needs electricity to work. Doesn't need food, but we eat food. The next, humans have feelings. Feelings like when you are happy, you smile. When you are sad, your face is how it looks. Does it look nice? No. We show our happiness. We show our sadness. We are sometimes smiling, sometimes we are crying, sometimes we are very angry. Like so many feelings we can have, we can show it. But computer has no feelings and no emotions. If you hit a computer, it will not feel any pain. And what happens when someone hits you? You feel pain. But computer, if you hit, nothing is going to happen to the computer. It doesn't feel any what? Pain. So why? Because computer does not have any emotions or any feelings. So children, we have done so many things today. Human versus computer or computer versus human. So computer is really very fast, very good, very helpful to us, but sometimes it fails. Why? Because he cannot decide, he cannot eat, it don't have any emotions. So children, for today, this is we have done. You go through all the differences very nicely, learn it, read it and understand it. For the next class, again we will do the whatever questions are given, we will be doing that. Till then, thank you and bye-bye. Be safe at home.